Don't go downstairs. Good boy. There you go. Play around
Playing
the
with
porch.
Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Christopher, come here. Come here. Over here. Come play with Jasper.
Nobody's in there right now. Everybody's at school. And
Come here. Where are you going? Where's Jasper? Where's Jasper?
Jasper.
You don't have to run from her.
Don't go downstairs. Come here. Come get your cheese. No, Jasper. Christopher. Christopher. Cheese.
Yeah, mama.
Here. Cheese.
Oh.
Christopher.
Are you all no.
Down.
I think he's done. That's fine. You
He's
can
done,
eat it.
huh?
Yeah.
I want some poop.
You want to get in the rocking chair? Come here.
Where's your food? Go eat your food.
Come here.
Go eat your food, Jasper.
Come over here. No? Okay. Determined to get on the chair, huh? How about this one over here? You want to sit in this one? Come here. Want to get in here? Huh?
Hey. Thank you. Tongue massage on my legs. How can dog's mouth be cleaner than human mouth? Huh?
I don't know.
Here. Ah, you got caught. Your foot got caught. Huh? Trying to figure out what that sensation is. Brushing his toes. Let me try that again.
Trying to squeeze by? There you go.
Squeeze me. Squeeze me. Fun, huh? And that Jazz just avoids you. No, you like the cat better.